Look at all the birds. Just all of a sudden there's hundreds of them just come through. Just seem to be flying now at the same time. Look at them all. There was nothing in the sky 5 minutes ago. Then they all took off on the far side, and then they've just been going mad. Seem to be settling a bit now, don't they?
Yeah.
Look.
Now again.
Yeah. I don't know if you could see these. Look at them all. The sky's just absolutely full of them.
What are they?
Don't know. Looks like they're all gone now. Just kind of disappeared, yeah. I think there's a lot over on that central bit over there.
Here again.
No, there's not that many of them, like seagulls, aren't there? Kind of thing. Yeah, I think they're like seagulls, these. But you can hear them over there on that island, can't you? That was just
Wow.
yeah, like seagulls. Wow. Christy's going to scare them, look, she wants them to fly again. Yeah, there's hundreds of them here. I don't know if you can see them, but they're all here, look. There's loads and loads of them. Wow, look at them. Look at that. That's just mad. You can hear, over in the distance, over there, you can hear thousands of them. I mean, there's some all around these boats here, but over there, some more coming, look. Seemed to settle for a minute or two. I mean, there's loads just on this boat here, this one here, and all these boats that's down here. But look at all of these. Look at them. There was nothing 10 minutes ago. There was nothing, and all of a sudden, just as we've hit sundown, they've gone mad. Yeah, they've just gone absolutely mad.
Bonkers.
Haven't they?
Yeah, it's bonkers.
They seem to have settled a bit now. Just look at them. Look.
There's thousands.
There's thousands of them. It's just crazy. Look at it.
It's weird. What is it on there?
Don't know.
It's a fish. Listen to him.
I mean, he's just called all these over here. I had one calling over him, and look. They're just in like a frenzy.
Thousands of them.
It's like a frenzy they've gone into, isn't it?
Yeah. Why? What's that?
I don't know. Seems to have settled down a bit now.
It won't do. You
Yeah.
watch. Wait a minute. They'll go bonkers again.
Yeah.
Look at him. Look at him. Oh. Wow, why?
Oh, I've no idea.
The sunset.
Yeah. We've just come inside the chapel church that there is here. And there's not much to look at. It's quite a cool organ, to be fair. Well, at least the kids can play on the organ and nobody seems to mind. And there's the organ. It's quite a cool organ. Not much else to see, I don't think. Christine, you just watch the things and I'll do this end. Who is your ally? Well, what do you believe in? These are for the like kids, I think. It's, well, quite cool. Ah, I can tell you how to do origami and hold your own double piece. So we've seen a couple of them doves of peace. Yeah. Very cool.